Namaste guys, welcome to the 21st December session of the Hindu analysis. So we are doing the analysis of the Hindu. So today starting with the first page. So on first page we can see in brief section, High Court has rejected the plea seeking the possession of the Red Fort. So some person claiming himself to the great grandson of the last Mughal emperor wanted to wanted the possession of the Red Fort, forgetting that the Red Fort was built not from the Shah Jahan's personal expenses, but from the taxes that he has collected from the common people. So if on the basis he is claiming the Red Fort, on that basis any political party can claim whatever, Jawaharlal Nehru's family can claim the IITs, IIMs. So illogical claim has been rejected by the High Court itself. So what you can refer here is uh, the the architectural advances that India has made during the Shah Jahan, especially during the Shah Jahan and the Red Fort. One important building inside the Red Fort is Moti Masjid. So you can refer that only two buildings has been constructed under the Aurangzeb rule. One was Moti Masjid inside the premises of the Red Fort, and one was Bibi Ka Maqbara. So you can refer these two things as well. Very important for the examination point of view. So another important news here is Nagaland Assembly has called for the repeal of AFSPA. So AFSPA will be covered in detail. So stay tuned for that. And Lok Sabha passes bill to link electoral rolls with Aadhaar. So what you have to study here is the new election laws bill 2021, that is amending the, which is making it mandatory for linking your voter ID card with the Aadhaar card. So you can refer how it is violating the right to privacy, which was made the fundamental right under the Article 21 by the Supreme Court judgment of in Puttaswamy case. And you can also refer a certain statement by certain MPs, like Shashi Tharoor has said Aadhaar is not a proof of citizenship. Okay, it is fine. By linking it with the electoral process, we are potentially giving voting rights to non-citizen. Don't know on what basis he is saying that, but yes, someone has said that linking Aadhaar with the election process will infringe on the right to privacy. That is somewhat logical. So you can refer the Puttaswamy judgment and the right to privacy under Article 21 that has been asked, I think, twice in the UPSC examination. So another important article here in the same section is rupees 13,109 crore recovered from the fugitives, says Nirmala Sitharaman. So what you can refer here is the Fugitive Economic Offender Act, and what are the minimum criteria that you have made a fraud of at least rupees 100 crore or something, and who was the first one to be declared as the fugitive economic offender was Vijay Mallya. So you can remember these names as well. Another important article coming on here is 6 additional seats for Jammu, 1 for Kashmir proposed. So the recently delimitation panel uh, has announced its decision. So you can refer what is delimitation commission and its appointment, who appoints the delimitation commission, and especially the its appointment, who is appointing the delimitation commission. It is president, and who are its members, who are its honorable members. You can refer that thing as well. And also uh, what are the powers that has been provided to the delimitation commission, as the decisions made by the delimitation commission cannot be challenged in any court of law. So very important, very powerful body it has been in the in the Indian constitution. So you can write down in comment section which article is specifically mention about the delimitation commission. Another important article here is the SEBI halts futures trading in key crops. So here you can see what is futures and options trading. What do you mean by the trading in the futures and options? So futures are the future agreement on pre-mandated price that will be mandatory for the two parties to execute in the future. And one is important options trading. That options trading is not mandatory for the both the parties. You can refer these things in detail, and what are the advantages of trading certain commodity or derivatives on the future and option trading. So you can refer that thing as well. Coming on to the next news, that is on page number 4. Page number 4, here it is. Notice to Congress MLA over joining Assam government. So this is a case of anti-defection law. So you can refer the 52nd Amendment, Constitutional Amendment of 1985, and 91st Constitutional Amendment. The 52nd Amendment, which brought the anti-defection law, and 91st Amendment, which has amended certain section of making it like 1/3. If in earlier case there was a case like if 1/3 of the party MLA joins another party, anti-defection law will not be applied. But in 91st Amendment, that was made to two-third of the party members. So you can refer that thing as well. Very important for the examination point of view. 52nd Amendment and 91st Amendment. 91st Amendment has done one another thing, like restricting the number of ministers in that can be in central government and the state government as well. So coming on to the page number 5. Page number 5, in brief section here, we can see that stop mining near Buddhist site, says Archaeological Survey of India. So what you can refer here is the Konda Valley in East Godavari district, that the 3rd century, here it is mentioned 3rd century Buddhist site at Konda Valley. So you can refer that thing as well. It can be asked in certain examination, like what is Konda Valley famous for? Or Konda Valley is related to which religious denomination? So you can remember it is Buddhist site, Konda Valley in Andhra Pradesh. Yes. So coming on to the page number, yes, you can also refer the ASI, who was the first chief of ASI. It was established by Alexander Cunningham back in 1860s or 70s. So you can refer that thing as well. And also Ancient Monument Protection Act was passed during the Lord Curzon time period. You can remember that thing as well. Other important news coming from the south is High Court declares the demand for Nokukuli illegal. So what is Nokukuli? It is a gawking wages, as in gawking wages, that is demanding money for seeing the work. So that is some concept followed in the Kerala. Nokukuli is Malayalam term. So you can remember that thing. And High Court has declared is as illegal and asked the police to lodge cases of extortion against whoever makes such demand. So you can refer that as well. It can be asked, Nokukuli is practiced in which state, which Indian state? So it is Kerala. So another important article was there. Here it is. Bombay slams violence statute discretion. So this is about the Belagavi dispute between Maharashtra and Karnataka. So you can refer the Belagavi dispute. What is Belagavi dispute? And when it is coming Belagavi or Belgaum, so you can refer the 1924, the Congress session, the only session of International Congress in which Gandhi ji had presided, 1924. So you can remember that thing as well. So the church has said that we'll accept decision on marriage age. So abiding the land of the law. So it is important to abide by the land of the law, but certain sections are challenging it. So you can refer that thing as well. Coming to page number 6, strategic bulwark. So this article is talking about the India's relation with the Central Asian power. So some certain issues here given it, like the connectivity. India's $1 billion line of credit project in Central Asia connectivity initiative, such as Chabahar Port, very important one, the International North-South Transport Corridor, and the Turkmenistan-Afghanistan Tapi gas pipeline. So all these things are part of the connectivity through India's connectivity through Central Asian nations. So you can remember. And what are the importance of Central Asia for India? Like we have seen from the Soviet era, like we have a great relationship with this Central Asian nation, and also cultural ties with the Central Asian nation, and also they are strategically important for India's nuclear energy, because they are the source of uranium. The highest reserves are found in Central Asian nation. So you can refer that thing as well. Another important editorial. So this is important editorial. You can refer that editorial, strategic bulwark. So other important editorial for Afghan women, it's a great regression. So this article is talking about the under the Taliban, the gains that has been made over 20 years, particularly in education and employment, faced decimation. So every gain that has been made in the pre-Taliban era rule, that all been destroyed by the Taliban. So you can refer that thing, not so much important for the examination point of view, but can be used as a pointer in your mains answer writing. So another important article on the page number 7 is a sustained attack on federalism. So this article is talking about the how central union government is attacking on the federal structure of the Indian constitution. So what you can remember refer here is the center state relation, like which powers are being shared between center and state. It's the legislative power, executive power, and your fiscal power or the monetary power. So judicial power are not being shared between center and state, so remember that thing as well. Another important part is who has said India as a quasi-federal state. So you can refer that thing as well. India is not a complete federal, not a complete unitary, but a quasi-federal in nature. And federalism is a part of basic structure of Indian constitution. So you can refer Keshavanand Bharati case, in which federalism, or moreover the basic structure doctrine which has been provided by the Keshavanand Bharati case, and in that case only the federalism has been declared as a basic structure of the Indian constitution. So you can refer that thing as well. So another important article here is what rising inequality means. So this article is talking about the rising inequality due to the pandemic as well. So you can refer that Oxfam report, which has said that the rich has been becoming richer and their wealth has been increased by 35% during the pandemic itself. You can refer Oxfam report, Oxfam inequality report, and they are also producing the gender inequality report. And you can also refer Japan has recently brought out some wealth redistribution plan. So that can be important for the examination point of view. So you can refer that thing as well. Coming on to the page number 8, here it is Pradeep Rawat to take over as the next ambassador to China. So it can be asked in certain examination. You can remember that name, Pradeep Rawat, next ambassador to China. Another important article was on page number 10. Yeah, we have seen that Naga House calls for repeal of AFSPA. So that is on the page number 1 itself. Page number 10, we have another important article about the, like here it is, India may resume the fisher talk with Sri Lanka. So the news is coming like Sri Lanka has arrested some 50 to 55 Indian fishermen recently. So you can refer that thing as well. And you can with this you can refer the Pak state and the uh, Pak Bay that has been between India and the Sri Lanka. So you can refer that thing as well. Other important article here it is BIMSTEC working on the joint disaster relief plan. So you can refer the BIMSTEC nations. So why it is being presented as a alternative to SAARC. So you can refer that thing as well. And you can also see that which countries are common between BIMSTEC and the SAARC nation. That is important part. So coming on to the page number 11, that page is very important for the international politics. So recently we have seen that Hong Kong has conducted some polls. So there has been low turnout in the Beijing, in the Hong Kong. So you can refer that thing, not important for examination point of view, but you can at least read headlines as I keep on repeating. So leftist millennial elected Chile's president. President Chile has been elected some president. So Russia expels 2 German envoys again. Yamin leads, Abdullah Yamin. So very important. This is very important. Like he's leading India out campaign in Maldives. So a Chinese stooge. So you can refer that thing. One person killed in Sudan in anti-coup protests. So Sudan has recently witnessed coup, military coup. So you can see that its location as well. So that is what on page number 11. So page number 12 has also important article about the Sensex has slides 2.1%. So there was a free fall registered in yesterday in Sensex. So you can see this thing and how it is impacting the India's. So you can see that India has lost around 6.8 lakh crore on one day, in a single day, due to the fall of Sensex. So you can see that thing as well. FII is selling. So what was the reason? FI, foreign institutional investment, the foreign money that is being involved in the share market has been withdrawn continuously due to the rise in the interest rate by the federal bank of the USA. So you can refer that thing as well, how it is related to the fall of India's Sensex or the India's share market. So that was important from that page. I don't think anything important from this page is nothing important, and there was no important article on the text and context page. So that's all from today's newspaper. So we will meet tomorrow again.